If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.
Hello guys, good afternoon. Andito tayo guys sa isang place na sa aming brother Boboy Rudy's may celebration ng kanyang christening ng kanyang anak at birthday celebration, and so blessed na lugar guys. Ang ganda-ganda guys. Yan. At saka let's witness guys kung paano nagluluto ang taga-province. Ayan sila guys. They are preparing the food. Ayan guys. Dito sila guys. Ayan. Ganyan ang pag-prepare. Kung saan na siya dong para sa calderita. Wow, calderita na guys. This is for calderita. Kambing. Baboy, calderitang baboy. Yan guys, this is how they prepare guys. Ayun, may litson doon. Titingnan muna natin ito. Unsa man ni? Unsa ni nga luto? Ginamay. This is ginamay guys, Ang laki-laki ng kawali. Wow. Ganito sa province guys. Pag nag-prepare ng handaan. Ayan guys. May litson doon guys, Ito ang papa guys, ng celebrant, birthday celebrant, at saka mag-christening sila guys. Tingnan natin ang litson guys. Litson. Hello. Nara sila guys, mga gipang kapoy nag-prepare sa lutuonon. Tanaw tag litson guys. Let's witness the litson. Ang gituyok lami o ang nagtuyok gwapo. Wow! Dalawang litson guys, Ganito guys sa province namin guys. Ganito lang naman kaganda maglitson. Look at that. Ayan sila si Kuya. Shout out sa Pinoy Rob YouTube channel. Mga pangalan natin, mga gwapo. Si Ariel. Ito namang nagtuyok-tuyok. Si Jason. Hi Jason. Si Joel. Hi Joel. Ayan guys, ang ganda-ganda. Ang sarap-sarap. Shout out.
Sa RDC Maragutan Chapter sa Davao Main RDC Chapter.
Wow! Davao Main RDC Chapter o sa Maragusan RDC Chapter. Shout out! Ang nagtuyok sa litson. O ang nagtuyok sa litson, gwapo nga tao. O ang gituyok, lami kaayo. Lami kaayo. Wow guys, tingnan nyo ang place. Napaka-rewarding. Wala jud mi nagmahay. Wow. Hi po diha. Hi. Nata sa Pinoy Rob YouTube channel. Wow guys, super kaganda guys. Pag galing ka sa syudad, tapos ganito ang daratnan mo, ang ganda. Ma-appreciate mo talaga ang beauty sa bukid. This is the province kanang tradition. Ganito maglechon dito. Wow, thank you guys. Salamat. Dito tayo mag-celebrate. This is the place to celebrate guys. Yan. Wow. Wow. Oh, tingnan nyo. So blessed talaga yung anak, guys. Si Nathan, si Prince Nathan mag-celebrate, guys, at ngayon naman siya bibinyagan, guys. Mag-wait lang tayo kasi wala pa si pastor doon na mag-officiate sa kanyang christening. Talagang napaka-blessed talaga ang lugar, guys. Oh. Wow. Wow, hallelujah. Ang ganda-ganda ng place. Okay, guys. Mamaya na naman. Say hi to Pinoy Rob. Say hi. Hi. Wow, ang mga magaganda sa galing ng Arroyo. Hi, Pinoy Rob.
May sabi ka makabuhi-buhi siya mo.
Oo, makabuhi ka kay dako ka man.
Pulok kayo na. Kababoy na, pagkababoy na, yung dua ka ano. Ipaligyan mo na ako kay para kamay na lang kulang sa sakyan ng chores.
May na uswag aruyo. Sito?
Uswag yaman.
Uswag yaman. Aruyo ba to? Aruyo, uswag yaman.
Ayan, sir. Pag isa may nakatabag ato sa insakto nga ansa.
So, gimix na ang ginamay. Kadaghan. Big kawali, guys. Big kawali. Wow. Mao ni, guys, ang gitawag namo nga tangkal sa Bisaya. Tangkal sa baboy. Nay isa ka baboy diri imti na diri kay giihaw na. Isa pud ka anay. Wow, guys, look at that. Oh, kadako sa anay. Nara si Mama Pig. Na si Mama Pig. Duha. Si Mama Pig o si sila dili karon. Tara si anayunon gihapon ni. Wow. Og na mga duha ka baboy, duha ka guwapo. Oh. Say hi to Pinoy Rob YouTube channel. Hello, unsay mga pangalan nato? Shout out ni
Boy Rodes.
Boy Rodis. Si Jay. Pangalan ni mo, sir?
Jubani.
Si Jubani. Thank you. Okay. Ayan, guys. Wow. Ayan na, guys. Oh, paluto na, guys. Paluto na ang ginagmay. Oh, napay dako ang kaldero, guys. Oh. Dako ang kaldero, guys. Probably this is rice. This is the rice, guys. Oh. Malaki. Ayun ang lechon, guys. Oh. Malapit nang maluto yung isa. Balikan natin ang lechon. Malapit nang maluto, guys. Yan, guys. Oh. The lechon. Malapit nang maluto ang lechon. Ayan. Wow. Yes. As what we heard, guys, this place is for sale. Is for sale, guys, kasi as you can see, the place is not clean and parang ang dami-daming damo. So as you can see, this is subject for disposal na, guys, ang place na ito, kasi nga marami ng kahoy, wala nang nag-aalaga. So this is already been surveyed and 200 per square meter na, guys, ang kanilang pag subdivide ng area. Tapos binibinta nila na ito, guys. As you can see nga, guys, wala nang nag-aalaga sa place. Malalaki ng mga kahoy, marami ng mga damo. So ayan, pero I like the place. Ang ganda-ganda. So this is how the province, ito, guys, is minimal pa ito, guys. May mga province talaga, guys, na maraming tao pag siguro mamaya maraming tao pag nag-celebrate. Ito, guys, this is just an opening of the celebration. Mamaya pa ang mga tao. Ayan. Hello! Kaloy. Wala pa siya sa mood. Mainit. Mas daghag sabaw. Okay na. Ang tubig nila, guys, is marag free flowing ang ilang their water, guys, is free flowing, guys. So, agas lang siya, agas. Maybe it's not free flowing, it's just water, double district water. Unsay tubig ninyo diri, boy?
Oy, pato na ka dire. Oy. Hello. Oy, hello.
Alright, good afternoon, everyone. Mayong hapon sa tanan. Welcome sa, of course, the first year birthday of our very own Nathan, Prince Nathan. And may request everyone, especially the sponsors, the Ninos and Nina, to please sit down here. We have a table, the chairs, the tables here. And
Dili mo sa likod.
so ako tawagan naman Nina and Nina. Following the sponsors are Mary Joy Villas,
Dili maglipod.
Villas, Evangeline.
Now this point here is the celebration is about to start. That's why Gilbert is calling the godfather and the godmother one by one, because the celebration is now about to start. The baptism of the child, or the christening of the child, Nathan Prince. or I say Prince Nathan.
JC De La Cruz, Vincent Soniega, Miguel Rivera, Wilmar Duyak, AJ Alinion, Lovega Bungo, Jim Lau, Vincent and Michael John Larry. Please sit down, occupy different table so that we can start our program. This day is also the christening of Prince Nathan Rudis.
Diri mo na aroyo diri tanan ta mag ano ta mag diri mo tanan diri ta tanan. Diri pastora. Mr. Bishop, acknowledge the Bishop. Bishop.
So I request the activity of face painting. When we start the program, so please paint the face of the children and temporarily mundangon nato siya kaya para masugod na nato ang program this afternoon.
Birthday celebration sa. Birthday celebration sa ta.
Birthday celebration sa daw. Oh.
Birthday celebration. Birthday celebration.
Oh. So birthday celebration. Mga una. Oh.
May program ka, ang birthday celebration.
Wala gyud daw.
Ay, wala.
Ikaw na lang bahala.
Okay, ang ingon ni Brother Boy, yung mo the dedication daw na.
Sige.
Education na.
Para diretso na.
Ang celebration kaon naman na.
Sige.
Okay, in 5 minutes we will start.
Dire ka na po.
So children, in 5 minutes magsugod ta, ato sa siyang undangon ta after 5 minutes para mag-start ta sa ato program. So kids, ayaw na mo pag-line din kaya undangon siya nato kapal sa mga bata. Pasita lang sa palikuran sa mga bata.
Yes, we are starting the dinner, guys. Early dinner. Because the program is not yet done. Pastor. Now guys, at this point in time, we are taking our early dinner, and as you can see, there's a lot of people na, marami ng tao ang dumating. So most of them are these people are in our church. Some of them are friends, and some of them are the family of the godfather and the godmother of the child, Nathan Prince Nathan Rudis. We are enjoying the food now, guys. Ang food nila is masarap. Guys, we are done from Kumbira, guys. Narao? Oh, sabat na kayo sila, guys, kaysa ilahang mga regalo, guys. Oh, cotton candy, guys. Ayan, guys. This is how Filipino, guys. One jeep. Going to birthday celebration. They are so so happy, guys. Oh, they are so happy. They have their gift. They have their gift. Cotton candies. Wow, Wingra, dalawa-dalawa ang cotton candy. Isa pa man, oy, si Sigi. Bakit may cotton candy si Ma'am Len? Hi! Bakit may cotton candy si Ma'am Len? Oh.
Isa daw na.
Isa lang dalawa. Isa lang isa. Oh, ay, my goodness. Ang say color, Ana? Ang say color? Green. Wow! The other one? Wow! Very good! How nakaay ka ha? Mag-color? Identifying color? Inyuhan ng duha, Ma'am Len? Oh, wow! Very good! Happy. He's so happy, guys.
Tanggal man yung kan.
Happy jud no kay saba man ta kayo naguli. Na may uban nga kanang tayo. Oh, mahilom man. Kita murag natin continuation unya ba nagabot dito. It seems like one village going to the birthday party celebration and a christening celebration. Guys, thank you very much for watching Pinoy Rob YouTube channel. Okay, until here, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe, and press the notification bell for you to be notified sa mga bagong kaganapan dito sa aming Pinoy Rob YouTube channel.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.